everyone and welcome to Harmless TV. Another tori don dey land again today, my people. This one na the same boo boo. Ciao boo boo, how you dey? Hey, na the same boo boo wahala. The South don still stand up again o. Don dey let Buhari to know wetin dey for their mind, wetin dey say na they want. Say this time, no be shoot bird the mama fly o, no be go come. So this one I go try make arrange am for una fast so that una go lis ten to them. I dey use this opportunity dey let una dey know say we don dey move to VIP section where be our YouTube channel when they call Harmless TV. So if you like wetin we dey do, if you want make you always dey enjoy our video, dey see our video immediately as we post and to dey know wetin dey happen around you, make you go dey subscribe to our YouTube channel when they call Harmless TV, because for there me and you will fit dey talk face to face and they ask each other question, and any video when be say we just post, then you go quick know, because maybe always when be say we go there for all the other areas. So now we won't move down to the VIP section where it be say everybody go there comfortable, sit down jeje, understand waiting day. So the tori now today be say the South, you know say last time when they call Buhari say make it come, make they discuss about how they go take move forward for their country. So Buhari not show up because Buhari they fear na so that time Fulani no be Fulani again, he mellow down you understand, you respect the elder, so you not show face. Even this second meeting when it be say the South they still call Buhari not still come because really in the fear when they fear they be smart. Even Inspector General of Police in show for this meeting, so he did say na go see am, but Buhari himself he no dey. So the people of the South na they can say even though say Buhari no come, they no go just sit down fold their hand, they no go fit talk wetin dey for their mind. So make they still arrange this second meeting so that they go announce the message. People wey wan carry the message go give Buhari, make they carry and go give am. So wetin they come talk now for this second message, it sweet me for my mind well, because now I know say some of our governors when be say they dey for Africa, especially for Nigeria, when it be say if their president no dey do better thing, I believe say some of them go still talk to their president, and some of them go fit still lis ten to their president for this matter. So I thank God now say some of them now don't see they know wetin dey happen, say the country not dey okay, say they need to talk to their president so that he go arrange many things for the country. So now the governors of the South wetin they come dey tell Buhari now be say they don tell am well say, and you when be Buhari, you task everybody for this our group when be governor, everybody for Naija sef, say make they contribute money because of NSAS things when be say people spoil, so that they go find out they will take arrange the country. But now that they tell Buhari to the things when then they self still want, so they say as they don't agree wetin Buhari first tell them, say make they contribute, say he task them, now they won't tell Buhari wetin them they for their own mind. So now they can't tell Buhari say make you remember, say the whole citizens when they for that country when they call Nigeria, say they must respect them if they want protest, because everybody get right to talk wetin dey for im mind, whether wetin president or governor they do or wetin they go on police they do, whether e good or e not good, everybody get right to express himself. Say Buhari must give them that opportunity, that freedom of speech, and Buhari must respect that and protect the citizens of the Nigeria. So Nigeria government must surely respect and protect them, even though say that they do this NSAS protest, because now wetin the people like now they go talk, so the government need to listen to them. So they can't see tell the Buhari again, so they can't tell and say this NSAS wahalas when be say it happen, so say now maybe say na go come something, maybe waiting one boy go do or two boys go do, say na the youth now then stand up now to arrange the country, because the youth don't realize say the country many things not dey work. So now the youth now then stand up to arrange the country. So, and the second, they say the mistake when be the governors, the president, one of them be the leaders they do when they make before when it be say work not come dey for the country, crimes come full for the country, many things come dey for the country, hospital not dey good, education not dey good. So now them when be the governors and the president, and them made the mistake. So now that mistake, so now it come they hurt them when make all these boys now come rise up, especially for the case of the police when be all of them now the same mistake. So so now they make all these boys come they rise up. So now the bad when it be say government do the mistake when they make, so now they hurt them. So the government need to stand up to come face their mistake and to face the reality. If they go try to form infrastructure for the country, anything, make them for try how they will take great work, make all this crime for end. So he can see, can they tell the Buhari again? This one when I want read, so this part is sweet me well. Hey, he can tell Buhari say for the whole country they want make they restructure the country as I talk more. Say they want make peace there for the country, make security there for the country. Gravity better thing make it come there for the country. So now waiting them when be the governors of the south. Now they want to make Buhari can answer them, and he can say they still want a stability and progress for the country. Now wetin dem want, and I thank God say many of them now don dey listen to the voice of the citizens. They don dey hear wetin people dey talk. So he come see tell Buhari say this matter na he chook me when be say I dey jolly. So say he come tell Buhari say he must allow each state to get their own police. Make each state get their own police, but they go dey work under the federal law. Now the law when it be say there for Nigeria, the federal law, now go still cover them. But let be say data go there, they will go carry police from Ajegule they come, or they will go carry police from what they call as Sambisa Forest they come. They say no. If you be Delta State, you need to control your own police. You understand? But if the police fuck up, you never say no go prison. You go prison, no, because everything they under the government law. They under the federal law. So make that they allow them they get their own police, and make that they allow everybody. They control that is the good, the money when they come from each state. Make that they allow them they control them. Make that they share everything when we say it come out for each state equally. Because maybe say, oh yeah, go there for south now. Una go sell and una go share the money for the whole Nigeria. But gold go there for north. Una go sell and una sell and north money. They say no, they don't want that one. They want make the whole good thing when we say there for the country. If they sell them, make una bring a comment. Everybody go know what's in there. They go share them. But if una no want share una own when they for our state, say make una no come follow them share their own, because now so it be now if you not give me, who go give you? I no go give you now if you not give me. You understand? So now what thing they want be that one, and so they want make them for resume all these control of each state, make them they control everything where they happen for each state. Let me say because we get our own police now, or maybe we not get our own police, we not go know what they happen for our area. No, they go get freedom to they control everything, just as Europe they do and now. That everybody go there equal, my people, no understand. So that what then it be say the South governors and the leaders of the South they talk. It sweet me for belle well. So make una try, make una watch, listen to them, make una understand what they talk. So because this one. Maybe go come matter, and because of all this yaga when people say Buhari they do, you no one comply to them, you no one answer them, you just they disrespect them anyhow. Now it made they go vex now from the south Niger Delta people. Now when they go they short many of their oil pipeline. When it be say they don't want to make oil they come out again, so not to talk of the flow go others area again. So they don't they off them now, they off everything. They tell the government say if you no go comply to answer them to hear that voice, say them too they no want to do waiting they want, so they go close and make everybody cook man day as it day. So now so the matter be, my people, make una not they forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel Harmless TV. So take a look at the video and maybe you to get your own advice when you go still give Buhari, and me too when still day here beg send them for us, we need them.
The meeting between the federal government and the governors and leaders of the South-South region was originally scheduled for Tuesday last week. But somehow, the federal government delegation led by the Chief of Staff to the President, Professor Ibrahim Gambari, failed to show up, leaving the South-South leaders angry and accusing the federal government of utter disrespect for the region.
To also apologize once again to everyone gathered here today, our brothers and sisters from this region.
And with apologies tendered, the rescheduled meeting quickly went into the business of the day.
Mr. President has tasked members of this cabinet to ensure that his commitment with regards to the NSAS process are fully executed. also warned that the right of citizens to protest must be respected and protected, for we exist in a democracy. However, in doing so, respect for the law and order must be adhered to, and the rights of other citizens must not be infringed upon.
The NSAS protest is a national wake-up call and time to face the reality and admit that some mistakes of the past have come to haunt us.
But the people of the South-South had other issues on their minds.
Unevenly, there are now strong desire that we need to restructure the country in order to guarantee peace, security, stability, and progress.
Speaking on behalf of the region, Delta State Governor and Chairman of the South-South Governors Forum, Dr. Ifeanyi Okowa, says it's time to restore the country to true federalism.
That we believe, support, and are committed to the restructuring of Nigeria in a way and manner that guarantees 1. True federalism and devolution of power to the states, including states creating and managing their own police and security architecture under a federal structure, as it is in all federal and some non-federal systems in the world. 2. True fiscal federalism, guided by the principle of derivation, revenue sharing, and control of resources by each state of the federation, as it was the case in the First Republic.
The South-South people are also calling for the relocation of several subsidiaries of the Nigerian National Petroleum Corporation from Lagos and Abuja to the region. Completion without delay of the East-West Road and all federal roads in the region. Reconstruction and rehabilitation of all the major seaports, notably Port Harcourt, Calabar and Warri. The construction of the Lagos to Calabar Railway. They're also worried about the state of affairs at the Niger Delta Development Commission.
It has become a cash cow for many Nigerians, both within and outside the Niger Delta. Its management continues to be weakened and made unstable by unnecessary politicization and without adherence to the NDDC Act.
Responding, Professor Ibrahim Gambari says all the grievances raised at the meeting will be tabled before President Muhammadu Buhari. The meeting was rounded up with the outpour of good wishes for Professor Ibrahim Gambari, who on Tuesday, November 24, clocked 76 years.
Happy birthday,
AIT News, Port Harcourt.
Happy birthday.
It's Melody Sound.